write a rule for the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. So they told us it's arithmetic, so we know what it's going to look like. The formula or the rule for that is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And in order to write this, we need to know two things. We need to know that first term, and we need to know the common difference. So now we look at what they gave us in the problem. I see they gave us the common difference, but they did not give us the first term. They actually gave us the 16th term. So we need to figure out how we can use that information to help us get the first term so that we can then go ahead and, go ahead and write this. So here's our formula. We want to plug in what we know. This d value can go right in there. So we know we're going to have 5. And this n minus 1, well, okay, I'm just going to plug this in because we don't know the first term. And this a sub 16 equals 52 we can use for these last two spots that we need to fill in. What we want to remember, what we plug in for n is always going to be this subscript, this 16. So we're going to have 16 minus 1 over here. And because remember, if you're trying to find the 16th term, you would plug in a 16 for n, and you would get back that 16th term, which is a 52. So that's why we're going to set this whole thing equal to 52. And now we just have one unknown, just that a sub 1. So if we do some simplifying, we can figure out what the first term is. So 52 equals a sub 1 plus 75. Subtract 75 from both sides. So we know our term is a negative 23. Now we have the two things we need. We know the first term and we know the difference, so we can go ahead and write the rule. So the rule a sub n equals, we're going to follow just this format every time. The first term, which is a negative 23, plus, because we're ready to write the rule, this is where we do leave the n in here, n minus 1 times our difference, which is a 5. And then just, we're going to clean it up. Negative 23 plus 5n minus 5. So a sub n equals 5n minus 28. And now we have the rule that will give us any term in the sequence.